Listen, I used to be that girl sitting on the kitchen floor with my hand in a PB jar and my other hand in a cereal box, basically just eating until my stomach felt like it was going to explode. I would say things like, that's gonna be the last time. I'll be better tomorrow. Knowing goddamn that I would do it again. I would say things like, this would be the last time. I'll be better tomorrow. Knowing that the next day would come and it would just start over again. Night after night, I would find myself in the kitchen eating whatever I could, like a freaking vulture. The feeling of being full felt like it didn't exist until it was too late. I would wonder, will I ever stop? There is hope though, and you can stop. You have to move your body to be strong, not just to burn calories. We need to stop aiming for perfection, but progressing each and every single week, pushing yourself a little more each and every single week to be better. One day, you're not even gonna recognize yourself. One day, scale's not gonna matter. One day, you're gonna be wearing that bikini. How do I know? Because it was me.